హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, బాగున్నారు అనుకుంటా. సో ఇప్పుడు నేను ఒక చిన్న ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ థింగ్ చెప్దామన్నా, స్టడీ థింగ్స్ అట్లాంటిది. సో ఈరోజు మనం డిస్కస్ చేసే టాపిక్ ఏంటంటే అబౌట్ డాట్ నెట్. వాట్ ఈస్ డాట్ నెట్ అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ డాట్ నెట్ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్. So when it comes to .NET, .NET is a software component which is developed by Microsoft company in the year 2002. Suppose that were multiple enhancements done to it, and which made the .NET as a more efficient and more high with more high quality and with more highest security, where in .NET we can go ahead and create multiple applications. Like for example, we can create network applications, we can create distributed applications in .NET, where we can assure the customers, our clients, where you can have with the higher security and with high quality. Simple terms, if you are saying in simple terminology, you can deliver the projects very faster and very quicker. Okay, let's go in little bit detail in .NET. So as I told it, .NET is a software component which is developed by Microsoft. For running this .NET, you need a .NET framework installed in your Windows application. Yes. So why .NET should be running in the Windows application and why it should have a .NET framework, you might be having multiple questions in your head like this. So when it comes to .NET framework, because .NET framework support multiple languages, multiple technologies and multiple databases. So that is the core advantage of this .NET framework. So most of the cases when Microsoft team have developed this .NET, they always suggest to use the SQL database to have a better performance while we are delivering the project. Okay, so there are a couple of other aspects as well, where client can have a better benefits and at the terms of quality, because nowadays when we are delivering the projects, clients are looking a lot of better quality they are required, where you can give a very good quality with this .NET. Okay, there are a couple of other points in that points. So in .NET, it can be used in a single framework. Okay, in this single framework you can develop the application, you can execute the application, at the same time you can deploy the application. That is the advantage. And moreover, there are a couple of other points. Yeah. So basically, when it comes to .NET, how it works, it provides a lot of tools and libraries where you can use the tools and libraries and develop the application in the Windows, in Microsoft Windows, which helps you a lot to deliver the projects with better quality. So mainly the important aspect is that to run .NET, we require .NET framework installed into the application. Let us say if you are delivering an application, you need to install .NET framework in the client's system, then only you can show the delivery, the demo of the .NET application what you have created. So that is an important aspect, because why I'm saying you why I'm discussing with you this topic is, for .NET framework is a heart. Unless and until you don't have .NET framework in the system, you cannot execute, or you cannot develop, or you cannot deploy the .NET applications. There are pretty good other things as well where we can discuss in detail. I'll come to that. As of now, it's just a basic information about .NET and .NET framework. Okay. Thanks, guys. Bye.